Hey y'all, it's me Dee. Today I'm making codfish, rice, and green beans. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you want more videos. Red pepper, green pepper, and the white onion. Going to slice and dice these up. I have some wild caught codfish that I've already cleaned off, and I'm just patting it dry with a paper towel because codfish carries a lot of water, so you want to make sure that you do that on both sides. Adding some unsalted butter, garlic, however much you like. This is going to be the sauce that's going to go over the fish. I did melt it in the microwave. Adding some lemon, some cilantro paste. If you like it, add it. If you don't add it. If you want to do fresh cilantro chopped up, go ahead. Ginger paste. Again, if you don't want to add ginger to it, you don't have to. I just had this in my refrigerator and I need to get rid of it. Black pepper. Mix it up. Now I did have my cast iron skillet inside of the oven just to heat it up. I have it sitting on top of a pot holder. Now I'm going to go ahead and add that sauce that I made on top of the fish. I felt like I needed to add a little bit more black pepper just from looking at it. And I also decided to add some smoked paprika for color. And I did the smoked paprika because I like the way that tastes. But add whatever seasonings you like. So here we are, moving on with our bell peppers and onions and carrots that we have mixed up. We're going to go ahead and work on our rice. Jasmine rice. Added a little bit of oil to the pan. Now this is rice that I've already rinsed off that I'm adding to the hot pan, because we're going to toast the rice first before we add anything else in it. You got to be careful because you don't want to burn it. You just want to get a light toast on it. Now go ahead and add your veggies to your rice and mix that up. So I actually have 1 cup of rice, and of course you're going to do about 2 cups of water. You know the ratio, 1 to 2. Give it a good stir. You are going to turn this heat down after you get it up to a good boil. I added in some chicken bouillon. That's the one that I use. Reduced sodium. I added in about a tablespoon of unsalted butter just because I wanted to. Now we're going to go ahead and leave this thing alone. I did add a little bit more black pepper, and I put the lid on it and turned it down to about a medium-low heat. Preheating my air fryer 400 degrees. Now this is what the rice looks like when it's about almost done. We're going to do some French green beans. We got salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and I sprayed it down with avocado spray. Here's what it looks like inside of the bowl, seasoned, and I'm going to be adding some Parmesan cheese to this too after it comes, or almost when it's almost done in the air fryer. So I'm going to let this cook in the air fryer for about 5 minutes. Then I'm going to check it, and then I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese to it, and then I'm going to let it cook for about 6 minutes so that way that the cheese can cook and get crispy. This is the final meal, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I also added some of the cucumber kimchi with my meal as well, just for the crisp. Thanks for watching.